welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last episode of this series where I'm creating 7 different eye makeup looks combined every time with a red lipstick. So I did promise at the beginning of this series that I will be creating a beautiful smoky eye makeup look. I do know it is like a very sensitive topic and it is like a very difficult decision when it comes to, do I want to have a smoky eye or do I want to have a red lip? Can I combine both of them, or it is going to be too much? So I will be showing you in today's video how you can create a beautiful smoky eye makeup look and of course combined with a beautiful deep red lipstick. So I've already prepared my base, my complexion. So I will be now priming my eyelids, and I will be using this creamy eyeshadow stick from Laura Mercier in Vanilla Kiss, and that I want to apply it all over my eyelids. And I will be blending that with a concealer brush from Real Techniques. And that will help my eyeshadow to stay longer and it won't crease, and it is going to look beautiful for hours. Now, my all-time favorite eyeshadow palette for creating all kind of natural or even smoky eye looks, it's this eyeshadow palette from NYX Cosmetics. It has these beautiful light and dark neutral colors. I am obsessed with this palette, and also I will be using a black eye pencil. You can take whichever you have, and I believe this was a Maybelline. I can't really say because I have been using it like crazy and I can't really remember the brand, but I think it is a Maybelline one. Okay, so now taking a very flat eyeshadow brush like this one, I will take this taupe brown color from here, and that I will be applying all over my eyelid. Now, using this eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques, this one is called Base Shadow Brush, I will be taking from the same palette this somehow in between a brown and gray dark color, and that I want to apply it here into my crease and on the outer edge of my eyelid. So now next I will take my black eye pencil and I will use it very close to my upper and lower lash line. Okay, so now I will take a pencil eyeshadow brush, and I'm using this one from BH Cosmetics Pro Studio in the number 8. I will take from the NYX palette the two shades that I've used on my eyelids, this brown taupe color and the darkest color from this palette, and I will smudge the eye pencil. I want to create like a beautiful agey smoky eye look. Okay, so now I will be applying some false lashes and a bit of mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now on the lips I will be applying a beautiful red lipstick, and I am using this one by Chanel in the number 112. It is a beautiful red color. I am obsessed with it. And firstly I will line my lips with the same lipstick, and I will take this lip pencil from Linda Hallberg, and I'll take some of the pigment and align my lips, and then I will fill them in with the lipstick. Okay, so let's add some highlighter, and I will be using this palette from the Eva Caramel Melange, and I will take the Everything is Coated, this beautiful kind of pink highlighter, and apply on the highest points of my face, and some here cupid's bow. And this is my classic smoky eye combined with beautiful red lipstick. As you can see, yes, it is possible to have smoky eye and a red lips. Is not a problem. If you want to wear it like this, then just go and wear it. It's just a makeup. Just do your thing and just be you, and everything else, it doesn't really matter. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this series. Let me know in the comments below which of these 7 different makeup looks you've liked the most. All of the products that I have used today, and as well the products that I have used to complete my complexion, I will be having down below as always. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every time that I post a video. Also give this video a big thumbs up. Bye!